Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Amit Kumar and you're watching Helping Bro. So guys, finally I have bought something special. Let's check it out. Let's unbox this one. Anyhow, you will see the subtitle. So it's a drone and this is Drone Mini 2 SE, the version is. Let's unbox it. Hatim is recording my video and this cost me around 1,800 in AED, and I have added this memory card which is 256 GB. It's for around 75 dirhams. So let's check it out what's inside. So guys, here is our DJI Mini 2 SE drone. Wow, looks amazing. And I bought this some protector also online. It's coming with that online option. So I bought this one also for 45 dirham approx. I'm not sure, I forget. But all total cost me around 1,860 dirhams. So let's finish this one here. Oh my god. I don't know where to start. Here or here? What do you think? Here?
Yeah.
Anywhere? You can see the cover is recording, right? All.
Yeah.
Guys, so you see, I'm also a newcomer to unbox things. So before I unbox my iPhone, now it's DJI drone. I just thought yesterday and I bought today. What is this, huh?
Yeah, one day.
Don't think too much if you want to buy. Just do it, huh? And
Let's just start. Yeah.
So this is the bag. The second box is here. Ah, nice cover. I heard DJI have a very good quality in terms of they want to create a brand in the market like iPhone. They are not giving any discount, and this is how it is. Ah, really? This is the controller. Let's check the controller first. You check the angle of the camera. Maybe you will lose. So here is the controller. Quality is good. Oh my god, I'm holding a drone. Seriously, I'm opening like a mobile phone. You know what is this? Ah, this is. And actually in videos it looks big. The video I check in YouTube, this is 2 battery. It has 2 battery. I bought a combo.
Yeah.
So 1 battery is here, 1 battery is here, and I think 1 battery inside the drone. It looks small, but nice, mini. That's why it's mini.
But it's same
And
exactly.
here is the final item. I can't see any charges, but I will see here. Very small. I don't know why in videos it looks big. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Really, by the name, it's mini. Huh? Nice. So I will start. Really, it's a drone. This is the strap to unlock it. Guys, I don't know also how to start it. So experience. I am scared to open it. This, what do you call that? Wings.
You will broke it.
I will broke it maybe. So I will keep this one like this here. Yeah, they are locked. Okay, so I will not open this one right now because I cannot drive it. I need to go empty ground, and in Dubai, guys, it's not allowed to fly any drone in UAE. It's very hard. So I will not open more than this one because I don't know, I cannot fly over here. What I can do, I can show you the next video in my upcoming video. And guys, they have this one controller here. I saw this one video, that's why I know. I will put this one here. I will screw here, and this is for the mobile phone. I will add the mobile phone. They have one application, needs to be downloaded, and they have some QR code. I heard they have some QR code in the box where I can download the video. This one for the application where I will add. And guys, this is all I think. And let me check the charges now. Where are this is the booklets for your awareness. Nobody gave a shit about this. And I have some leads. I want to check. Yeah, here are the cables, lightning cables. This is for cable C. This is for the old one, you remember, this lead, and this is for the, where is the iPhone? Oh shit, this is for the new iPhone cable. I don't have the cable for the old iPhone because iPhone have changed their cables, right? 15. So they have not given me the iPhone one. I will see what I can do now. And this is extra, this one, the wings, what do you call that? This is all I got. So thank you so much. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and wait for the drone clips later on. Bye.